Don't try this at home. That sends chills through my spine, by the way, doing that. Nice. And that's using, what am I using on this track? I'm using reverb, stereo from waves, and distortion. And it goes from this, yes, just simple sharpening of knives, to real metallic instruments. It's amazing what a bit of reverb and distortion can do in the world of sound design. So we'll have that. What else have we got here? I'm going to take that, and also what I'm going to do is, again, a few of those Isabella screams would be perfect in here. Let's just place them in various points of that that area, and also turn the volume up a bit. And then again. One more. I'm seriously going to have nightmares tonight after doing this.